YouTubers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover logical operators. I do want to start off with apologizing that I have taken a long break off making these videos, but I am back. I had a couple hiccups, but I am back, and I'm ready to crank these videos out so I can actually make some real Java videos with some awesome examples. But right now, we got to get through these little baby steps, because these baby steps are going to be key to you making some awesome applications. Alright, and the topic of this video is logical operators. So let's go ahead and get to it. We're going to make the OR operator. So hold down your shift key, look at the backslash key, and a vertical line key. Right, that vertical line represents the pipe symbol, like this. If you hold it down shift, the key is located below the backspace button and above the enter key, towards the right of a standard keyboard. Okay. Now, let me slow down for a second. We're going to talk about OR. So with the OR operator, I have it highlighted and I'm circling it right now. Okay. The OR operator is represented by two pipe symbols. We just briefly discussed that. On each side, it will have a boolean expression. Now, there's one on the left side and one on the right-hand side. For the OR operator, right, it's going to simplify. This is an entire expression itself. It's a complex expression. It will simplify it to either true or false. So with OR, at least one side has to be true. Okay? Is at least one side true? Yes, there is. The left side is true. I'm going to go ahead and run this. And as we see, this line of code is executed. And I have it highlighted right here. That it passes through, it's true. At least one side is true. Let me go ahead and swap these real quick. False and true. Run it again. Is at least one side true? Yes, it is. Alright, now let's make both of them true. Is at least one side true? Yes, it is. And that passes through because at least one side is true. Now, you might be thinking, well, wait a minute. This is OR, right? It's one or the other? Now, if you are talking to a lawyer, the word OR means something different, okay, than what the computer program will use. We're not going to go over it in this video, but there's an XOR operator that does where only exactly one has to be true, but not in this video. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. So as long as one or more are true, at least one is true, it evaluates to true. Okay? Next is the AND operator. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and run this right now. So this is similar to the OR in the fact that it has two expressions as well. One on the left-hand side, one on the right-hand side. However, it processes them different. For this entire expression to simplify as true, both sides have to be true. If one of them is false, one or more is false, it'll skip it. And as you can see, I just ran it with the false on the right hand side. It skips it. It skips this block of code. So as we can see right here, only the terminating program line is executed. Okay, I'm going to make them both false just to show you anyway. And it still evaluates to false because both sides are not true. This has to be true, this has to be true. For the entire expression to evaluate as true, but it does not in this case. Let me undo. Up. Control Y. There we go. Alright. Now it'll evaluate the true as we saw earlier. Passes through. Last but not least is the NOT operator. So not true. This is probably the easiest one. The NOT operator, it only has one side. Well, it only has a value in front of it, a boolean value. This just flips the value. Not true becomes false. So this entire expression will simplify to false. We go ahead and execute. As we see, this line of code gets skipped. This block of code gets skipped. Now we're going to change it to false. Execute it. And this simplifies to true. I don't think I can break it down any more than that. This just alters the value of true. So far we've done easy examples. We also done non-practical examples. You're never going to see the keyword true and false in an if statement, probably except in this video, because I'm showing you how to use these three logical operators. In the next video, we're going to go over more practical examples on how to use this use this and or not operator. But you might have a general idea, and they're not going to go away. You're going to use them just like you do addition and subtraction on a daily basis. As far as making things, because certain things have to be true for certain events to happen. I'm not going to elaborate any more on that in this video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go ahead and stop so we can pick up where I'm leaving off right now.